Hello guys and welcome. In this video we will look at how to use Mechanize and CookieJar in Python. This video is part of the exercises in the SPSC. Okay, Mechanize is a module in Python used to make easy browse through web applications in a programmatically way. If we browse through different web applications using Mechanize, these handlers all related about the cookies. We don't need to be worried about this. Now, if we want to obtain all this info about the cookies, we need to use the CookieJar. The CookieJar creates a kind of list that stores all the cookies used by the Mechanize browser. So, if we want to obtain all this info, we need to create the CookieJar object and assign this to the Mechanize browser instance. In this way, with this CookieJar, we can think this. We can share this object with another Mechanize browser instance. We just need to set this object to the new instance in the Mechanize browsers. And all this info about the cookies will be loaded automatically. Okay, as I say, the CookieJar contains a list with different cookies. These cookies are object too. To create these cookies manually, we need to provide all these parameters. Of course, the more important here are the name, the value, and the domain. The other parameters can use the default values. After that, we can load this cookie object into the CookieJar. Let's see this demo. Okay, let's browse to this page and share the CookieJars between different instances of the Mechanize browser. First, let's create the CookieJar object. Now let's create a new instance of the Mechanize browser. Let's assign the CookieJar object. Let's browse to the web page. In this case, the vulnerable web application. Okay, let's print the title. Okay, we are in the login page here. Let's take a look to the cookies. These are the info about the cookies loaded in the CookieJar object. Okay, now let's log in the damn vulnerable web application. Select the font and fill the values. Okay, let's submit this. Let's print the title, and we are in the welcome page. In this page. Okay, now let's create another instance of the Mechanize browser. Let's assign the CookieJar created, let's say, to open the damn vulnerable web application. Let's print the title, and as you can see here, we enter to the welcome page. We don't need any login because we share the same CookieJar objects. Perfect. Now let's do the another example. Let's create a cookie object and add this to the CookieJar. Let's finish this and open again. Let's try it. Log in here. Let's obtain the cookies in the web application. Let's print this. And let's create the cookie object first. Let's change the value name, the value of the cookie and the domain. This is the first cookie and this is the second. Security upload. the IP or the domain. Let's call this cookie 1, and let's do the same with the second. Just change these values. Here the PHP session ID and the value. Okay, let's print cookie number 1, cookie number 2. Now let's create the CookieJar object. Let's print nothing. Let's check the function in the CookieJar class. And we use this set cookie. Add the cookie number 1 and the cookie number 2. If we print this now, here are the CookieJar with the 2 cookies created. Now let's create the Mechanize browser. Let's assign this CookieJar and let's open the damn vulnerable web page. Okay, let's print the title and voila, we are in the welcome page. As you see, we do these 2 examples. First, create a CookieJar assigned to a Mechanize browser instance, logging in the web application, and after use this same CookieJar and copy to another instance. And the second example, we create these 2 cookies manually, then add these cookies in the CookieJar object, and after that we load this CookieJar into a Mechanize browser instance, and when we browse to the web page, the cookies was reloaded. Now we share this same session, but using Mechanize. Well, that is all for this video. This is just a quick demo of how we can use Mechanize and what are the use that we can give to this powerful tool. So I hope you enjoy this, and I hope this can be useful for you. Thank you for your time.